Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how you can create outline text effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to select this template and change its color to whatever the color you want. So I've selected this one and here in the elements I'm just going to search for man fashion. Okay. Let's go to the photos and here we will find some good looking mans. For example, I have selected this one. Now we are going to remove the background, right? Okay, now we are going to add a heading. So I've clicked on text and here I have just written fashion. I will select the text, change its color, increase the size to whatever the size we want, right? Let's change the font type. Okay, it's done. And now what we are going to do is we are going to send this text behind. So I have selected the text and clicked on triple dot and then layer and then send backward. It's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select this text again, click on duplicate, right, and then simply coincide this text with the text placed behind the object or behind the person, right? Now we are going to click on effects and here in the effects we are going to select outline and here in the outline we are going to reduce the thickness. Okay, you can reduce it to like 2 or 3 and then you can simply select the text and can set the text accordingly, right? It's done. So in this manner you can simply create such kind of good looking text, right? So wherever you want to place it, you can simply place it, right? So in this manner, you can simply create a text outline effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.